Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to unbox the BLUE YETI microphone. The Yeti is the ultimate tool for creating amazing recording, no matter what source or environment. The Yeti features BLUE's innovative triple capsule array, allowing for recording in stereo of your choice of 3 unique patterns, including cardioids, omnidirectional, and bidirectional, giving you recording capabilities usually requiring multiple microphones. Inside the box, of course, there's the microphone, the instruction, and the USB cable. Triple capsule array is a 3 condenser capsules in an innovative configuration to enable great recordings in most any situation. The blue logo, it indicates the front of the microphone. Mute button / status light. Press this button to mute the output. Headphone volume control. Easily control the volume of Yeti's headphone output by adjusting the volume knob. Set screws. Turn each of these knobs clockwise to tighten and secure the microphone at the desired angle. Microphone gain. Use this knob to control the gain or sensitivity of Yeti's microphone elements. Begin recording with this knob centered. If you are experiencing digital distortion with a very loud sound source, simply decrease the gain counterclockwise. If you desire higher sensitivity, simply increase the gain by turning clockwise. Multiple pattern selection. You can quickly select from each of Yeti's 4 pattern settings by simply rotating the pattern selector knob that we will discuss it later one by one. Recording modes. Stereo. It is great for capturing a realistic stereo image. By centering the sound source, you will get equal amounts of signal in both the left and right channels. Great for vocals, ensemble choir, and instrument. Cardioid. It is the commonly used mode. In fact, I am using it right now. It can be useful in most any situation. If you're recording vocals, a podcast, or a voiceover, cardioid is likely your best choices. The front of the microphone is picked up, while the sound at the rear sides of the microphone is not picked up. Omnidirectional means that a microphone picks up the sound equally from all directions. This is great for conference call, field recordings, or events or orchestras. Bidirectional means that a microphone picks up sound at the front and rear of the microphone, while the sound to the sides are rejected or not picked up. Good for interviews, instrument, or vocal duets. To use it for recording, simply read the instruction. The USB connection. Yeti connects to your computer with one simple USB cable. Headphone output. The Yeti includes a standard 1/8 inches or 3.5 mm headphone jack for monitoring and playback. For more specifications, you can read it in the description down below. bloopers.
Mabili mo. Yo. Tara. Huwag mo itatayo kasi hindi nakikita. Mahirap. Yan, tataas mo lang yung isang pirasong yun, nasa gitna. Hindi, yan yung nasa gitna. Itaas mo. Yan, yan. Oh, mamma mia. Mabilis. Mahirap yun.
That's it for my unboxing video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.